Meet the Philips Hue E27 Filament Globe, featuring a stunning oversized filament design, adjustable warm-to-cool white lighting, and smart app or voice control to transform any room. What's in the box? In the box, you will find the Philips Hue Filament and user manual. Plug and pair. Begin by screwing the Philips Hue Filament Globe into a compatible light socket and turning the power on. Download and open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone, then sign in or create an account if needed. Tap the plus icon to add a new light, and the app will automatically search for nearby bulbs. Once the bulb appears, select it, assign it to your preferred room, and give it a custom name. After setup is complete, you can adjust brightness, change the white light ambiance, create schedules, and control the bulb from anywhere using the app or compatible voice assistants. Smart features? Upgrade your lighting experience with smart automation, app control, voice commands, and customized schedules that bring comfort and convenience to your home. The Hue Bridge connects your smart lights, enables advanced automation, supports voice assistants, and provides reliable control for your entire smart home system. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Philips Hue filament. See you at the next one.